Isa ka bang negosyante and currently you are experiencing the following problems? Number 1, your friends don't understand you anymore. Dahil naging negosyante ka, hindi na sila makarelate sa mga problema mo bilang negosyante, kaya ang hirap na nilang makausap. Feeling mo lonely ka? Yung kasabihan na, it's lonely at the top, nakaka-relate ka ba dyan? Number 2, alam mo that your network is your net worth. Pero bakit parang ang hirap mag-connect with other high-level business owners na alam mo makakatulong sa negosyo mo? Alam mo naman na importante to, pero ang hirap lang talaga mag-connect with them, di ba? Number 3 is gusto mong matuto pero ayaw mo na ng motivational speaker. Pumupunta ka sa mga events tapos panay motivation na lang. Panay success story nila kung paano nila ginawa. Ngayon kasi, alam mo sa sarili mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng motivation. Gusto mo actionable steps and unfiltered real stories, action plans, and best practices ng mga totoong negosyante na pwede mo ring i-apply sa negosyo mo. Or number 4, gusto mo magbakasyon pero feeling mo sayang ito sa oras kasi nga gusto mong gamitin ang oras mo para mapalago yung negosyo mo. Medyo nagigilty ka magbakasyon dahil dito. Does this sound familiar? Well, guess what? Don't worry, hindi ka nag-iisa kasi ako rin, ito yung eksaktong na-experience ko in my 13 years of doing business. Ito din yung mga na-experience ng mga kapwa negosyante na kasama ko sa kanegosyo community. Sobrang frustrating, di ba? It's so lonely at the top, alam mo yan. Hello, this is Don Soriano, ang inyong kanegosyo. And I'm so excited to announce that we have actually created something for you by business owners for business owners. Gumawa ako ng mastermind experiences with Don Soriano. In these experiences, you will be able to answer all of these questions in one event. Unang-una, magkakaroon ka ng mga kaibigan na makaka-relate sa'yo. Let me just share you a very simple story. January 2024 this year, ako ay may nakausap na kaibigan. Sabi ko sa kanya, bro, inuman naman tayo kasi stress na ako sa negosyo. Nag-inuman kami, nagkwentuhan kami, naglabas ako ng sama ng loob sa kanya. Umabot kami hanggang 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. After nun, sabi ko, uy, pre, thank you so much. Sobrang okay na ako. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo ano? Sabi niya, Don, alam mo, natulungan naman kita. I'm happy. I listen to you. Pero can I just say, rich people problems. Ganyan talaga, no? Hindi na makarelate yung mga kaibigan natin, guys. Guys, the beautiful thing about being in a mastermind experience is that you will be spending almost 24 hours or even 48 hours, depende sa event, kung saan marami kang kanegosyo na makakausap na makaka-relate na sa'yo. Yung mga problema mo sa empleyado, alam nila yan. Yung mga problema mo sa payroll, diskarte nila, isi-share nila sa'yo para malaman mo din. Number 2, ayaw na natin ng motivational speaker. Umay na tayo dyan, guys. Ako mismo, I'd rather learn from people in a mastermind. But maybe you're wondering, Don, ano nga bang mastermind? Sabi dito sa Think and Grow Rich, the mastermind principle consists of an alliance of 2 or more minds working in perfect harmony for the attainment of a common definite objective. No 2 minds ever come together without a third invisible force, which may be likened to a third mind. When a group of individual minds are coordinated and function in harmony, the increased energy created through that alliance becomes available to every individual in the group. So guys, may magic ang mastermind. Kahit dalawa lang kayo, parang may third invisible energy. Kasi 2 minds together become harmonious, become synergistic. Number 3, yun nga, networking. Alam mo naman kailangan mo to, di ba? Pero guys, ito yung beautiful thing about kanegosyo community business masterminds. I will personally push you and force you to network with other business owners. I remember in our last kanegosyo community business mastermind, the slumber party, meron mga kanegosyo doon na nakatayo lang, nahihiya. Talagang hinahatak natin sila at ginagather natin sila. Uy, pre, ba't ka nag-iisa dyan? Uy, bro, kasi pare, nahihiya ako eh. Bro, okay lang yan. I got you. This event was created for introverts. By introverts. Introvert po kasi ako. So, alam ko yung feeling na nahihiya ka. Alam ko yung feeling na ayaw mong lumapit sa tao. Bro, sama ka sa akin. Hahatakin ko yan. Guys, kilala nyo ba si David? Si David, guys, ito yung negosyo niya. Grabe, ang galing nito. David, ito pala si ganito, si ganyan. Ang negosyo niya ganito. Guys, usap kayo, guys, no? Alam ko, meron kayong mapagtutulungan. Hinahatak natin isa-isa yung mga ating mga kanegosyo na mahiyain. And it's okay because why? Diyan din naman ako nagsimula kanegosyo. Believe it or not, hindi ako ganito na sobrang sociable, sobrang outgoing. Guys, socializing and networking is a learnable skill, and that skill is something that you will learn in the kanegosyo community business masterminds. Number 4, alam kong guilty ka minsan magbakasyon, tama? Ayaw mong lumabas ng bahay, gusto mo na magnegosyo kasi sayang pera, sayang oras. Guess what? The moment you join us, this will be 30, 40, 50, 100 people, depende sa event ha, of business owners collaborating together so that magtulungan. So imagine mo ha, nagbabakasyon ka na, nag-e-enjoy ka na, natututo ka pa at nagtatrabaho ka. Bakit? Kasi ang dami mo nakikilala ng mga tao na pwedeng makatulong sa negosyo mo. Now, if you're excited to join this mastermind, I'm also excited to actually get to know you and really understand where you're coming from so that when we build this community, sama-sama tayong aangat, sama-sama tayong magtutulungan. Now, here's the thing guys, no? This is only application basis. What do I mean? We do not accept every single person who apply simply because we want to handpick individuals in our community who are high-quality people. Ang tawag natin dito, HQPO. Ano sabihin nun? High-quality people only. And I'm sure you want this as well, tama ba? The moment you join our space, gusto mo syempre makakausap mo, alam mo, legitimate na negosyante. Alam mo, isang tao na maybe hindi pa ganun kayaman, pero alam mong payaman siya. At alam mong gigil siya, matuto, kaya ang dami niyang information na pwede din ihandog or itulong sa'yo. So again guys, no, if you want to join, please fill out this form that is available in this screen. Ilagay nyo lang po lahat ng details nyo dyan, and one of our team members will actually reach out to you to test if, uy, ano ba? Pasok ka ba dun sa values namin? Pasok ka ba dun sa metrics namin? Kasi if yes, then we'll let you know and you can actually join the future masterminds that we have. Hope to see you there guys. Thank you so much and salamat po sa inyo. God bless.